In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's OpenAI integration, which is now available in public beta, to enhance your sales pipeline reviews. Let's dive into this exciting process and explore how it can streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. First, make sure you have HubSpot open and that you are logged into your account. It's important to ensure that you're in the correct workspace, so just double-check that before moving forward. This will help to make sure that we can access all the features we're going to explore today. Once you're logged in, the first place you want to go is the trial guide. This is an extremely helpful resource hub right at your fingertips that contains all the information and tools you'll need to start building your forms efficiently. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the guide, as it can provide pertinent insights that may be beneficial as you progress. Now, let's move on to your homepage. Here, you'll want to navigate to the CRM section. The CRM is absolutely essential for managing customer relationships effectively, and it serves as the backbone of your sales initiatives. From here, you'll see the option for Deals. Go ahead and click on that. The Deals section is where you manage your sales opportunities and track their progress through your pipeline. Now, it's time to create a new deal, and it's simpler than it might seem at first glance. Look for the button that says Create Deal and click on it. This action opens up a form that you'll need to edit and optimize according to your specific needs. As you work on this form, make sure to take your time customizing the necessary fields and data entries. By adjusting the form to perfectly match your pipeline's requirements, you'll ensure that the information you gather is both comprehensive and relevant to your sales processes. Once you feel confident with your edits and have optimized the form to your satisfaction, it's time for the final step. Go ahead and click Create. Just by doing this, you've successfully started integrating HubSpot's OpenAI capabilities into your pipeline reviews, setting up a more efficient system that can assist in decision-making and improve the review processes. By following these steps, you unlock a whole new way to manage your sales activities with HubSpot's OpenAI integration. Remember, each action you take in refining your CRM and its functionalities significantly contributes to better pipeline management and can result in improved sales performance in the long run. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guidance helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and happy sales reviewing.